Welcome to the best picks. The best water bottle brush is probably one of the most overlooked cleaning tools, but it's a game changer for anyone who wants to keep their water bottle sparkling clean and free of lingering odors and bacteria. In this video, we'll dive into the world of long-handled water bottle brushes, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you choose the perfect brush to keep your hydration game strong and sanitary. Number 5. Turbo Microfiber Bottle Brush Set. This versatile cleaning kit makes cleaning your bottles a breeze. It includes brushes of various sizes to tackle any bottle or drinking vessel. The set contains brushes perfectly sized for water bottles, baby bottles, narrow-necked bottles, and even straws. No more struggling to reach those hard-to-clean spots. Each brush boasts a durable handle, stiff nylon bristles, and rust-resistant stainless steel. They're also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. It's compatible with a wide variety of bottles, including Hydro Flask, Yeti, and many more. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for your cleaning needs. Use it to clean wine decanters, vases, and even your kitchen sink. This set is incredibly versatile and will become your go-to cleaning tool. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions or concerns, our team is here to help you. What we like? This kit has everything you need for all your cleaning needs, from baby bottles to wine decanters. Its durable design ensures long-lasting use. If you need a versatile cleaning solution for various containers, this is the perfect choice. What people say? They reach and bend just about anywhere. In tight metal straws and weird jug handles. There is a brush in this pack for any need. It makes cleaning cups a breeze. We like the variety of sizes and lengths. There's even one for straws. They appear to be very sturdy with bristles that will hold up well with use. The different size brushes are great. I love the different sizes that accommodate all bottles. I have 2 narrow open bottles for my oil and vinegar and I couldn't quite clean them. There was always a ring on gunk for lack of a better word left at the bottom. I took one of the most narrow brush and put some dish soap around it and I was able to completely clean the ring around the bottle. Excellent product. Number 4. Holikme Bottle Cleaning Set. This comprehensive set makes cleaning bottles of all shapes and sizes a breeze. It includes brushes for every need, from narrow necks to wide mouths. The extra long handle on this brush reaches the bottom of even the tallest bottles. Its wide bristles ensure thorough cleaning. This soft sponge brush is perfect for delicate glassware and wide-mouth bottles. It's gentle yet effective at removing dirt and grime. Tough stains are no match for this brush's firm bristles. It's ideal for sports bottles and other hard-to-clean items. The set also includes smaller brushes for cleaning narrow necks, spouts, and straws. They're made from food-grade material, so you can use them with confidence. Each brush features a hanging hole for easy storage and air drying. Keep your brushes clean and organized. What we like? This set boasts an extra long handle to reach the bottom of even the most stubborn bottles. The variety of brush sizes makes it perfect for various shapes and sizes. If you need to clean hard-to-reach areas, this is the one for you. What people say? The long handle makes it easy to reach deep into bottles without having to struggle, and the bristles are soft enough to clean without scratching the glass. The long handle allows me to reach deep into bottles and clean all the tricky spots without any hassle. The bristles are firm yet gentle, so they clean effectively without damaging the surface. This is a nice variety of bottle cleaning brushes for every need. Water bottles, baby bottles, straws, even those hard-to-get crevices on the water bottle lids. Number 3. PURIFYOU Silicone Bottle Brush Set. This set makes cleaning bottles and other containers a breeze. It includes 2 brushes, perfect for various sizes and shapes. With a long and a short brush, it's easy to clean everything from tall bottles to small lids. Say goodbye to stubborn residue. Made from high-quality silicone, they're flexible enough to reach tight spots and durable enough for everyday use. They're built to last. The soft bristles are gentle on all surfaces, yet effective at removing dirt. Plus, they're odor-resistant and easy to clean. The comfortable, non-slip handles make cleaning effortless. You'll get a thorough clean without hand strain. The longer brush is perfect for tall bottles, while the shorter one tackles smaller containers. You're covered for all your cleaning needs. What we like. Made from flexible silicone, it's gentle on delicate surfaces yet tough on grime. The material is also odor-resistant and easy to clean. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective cleaning solution, this is it. What people say. Wow, this is easy to use, and does a thorough cleaning. Really easy to use, and very sturdy. The silicone option is the way to go. Forget the bristly horsehair type brushes, they are terrible. This silicone cleans really well and washes up without losing any bristles. Easy to use, all one piece and won't come apart. Cleans well and does just what I need it to. Number 2. 12.5 Silicone Bottle Brush. It boasts a 12.5 long, non-flexible steel shaft and rugged silicone bristle head. This allows it to reach deep into tall, narrow containers. Unlike sponges and nylon brushes, it repels odors and stains. This keeps your bottles cleaner and healthier for your family. The soft silicone bristles are tough on grime but gentle on your containers. It's safe for delicate glassware and won't leave scratches. For best results, add warm, soapy water to your container before scrubbing. Remember, it's silicone, so it won't hold soap like a sponge. Its sturdy bristles maintain their shape and won't break or fall apart. It's also heat-resistant up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for cleaning various containers, from water bottles and flasks to baby bottles and vases. It's even great for travel. What we like. This brush features a long handle for easy cleaning and gentle silicone bristles that won't scratch your bottles. It's durable and easy to clean. If you prioritize scratch-free cleaning and long-lasting use, this is a great option. What people say. They are perfect for cleaning reusable straws and bottles with a small opening. I've used them multiple times each week and they are holding up well. It perfectly fits through the thin neck of my swell bottles and allows me to scrub inside. Long enough to fit in a water bottle or down a narrow glass. Sturdy enough that it's not going to break or snap with pressure. Doesn't scratch glass or metal. Doesn't hold grow mold the way other brushes do. Number 1. ALINK 16-inch Bottle Brush. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt in hard-to-reach places. This brush's extra-long handle makes cleaning a breeze. Its 16-inch handle easily cleans tall bottles, wine decanters, and more. No more struggling to scrub those hard-to-reach spots. With a 2.5-inch wide brush head, it covers more surface area with each stroke, speeding up your cleaning process. The durable yet bendable bristles reach even the most difficult crevices. It's tough enough for the job, but gentle enough on your bottles. The comfortable grip makes cleaning a pleasure, not a chore. You'll appreciate the difference a good grip makes. Made with food-grade polypropylene and stainless steel, it's BPA-free and non-toxic, ensuring your safety and peace of mind. Clean wine bottles, beer bottles, baby bottles, thermoses, and more with ease. It's the perfect all-purpose cleaning tool. What we like. With its extra-long handle and wide bristles, it easily cleans even the most narrow-necked bottles. The comfortable grip makes cleaning a breeze. If you need a brush that can tackle even the most challenging bottles, this is the one. What people say. Exactly what I wanted for washing longer glass water bottles. Well made. This brush fits into the small hole at the top of my stainless steel water bottle and makes it easy to clean. This bottle brush has proven to be quite useful. I bought it to clean my narrow-neck hummingbird feeders. It worked like a charm. Since then, I've used it to clean many things. It's such an inexpensive solution to cleaning problems. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.